Hi, my name is Faisal, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can create a Android virtual device in Android Studio. I just told you how you can install Android Studio on your computer. Next is we are just gonna create a virtual device. It's just gonna take some time. We just need to go here, device manager. After that, I already created the device Pixel 7 Pro. We're gonna create another device. We're gonna create, we can create any device we want. We're gonna create Pixel 7a. Next, after that, you can just finish it. And the device is created. You can just start the device and you can run your Android apps on this. You can test your Android apps on this device. Suppose you can, this option is used to see, just I am just gonna show you, just wait. Suppose you want to test your app on different mobile sizes. This is for that. Suppose you want to test your app on tablet or any other thing, you can use it. I'm just opening Pixel 7a. Just wait few seconds. It's gonna take some time. It is gonna take some time. It's just the first time it's loading. That's why it's just gonna take some time. Wait, I may just fast forward the video or I may not just fast forward the video. Just wait. Here is the running device. It's just connecting to the emulator. It is first time, that's why it's gonna take some time. The device has been opened. Just wait few seconds. It's just loading. You can test your app on this device. Just wait few seconds. I may just start regularly uploading videos. Now it's just gonna, I guess Google also offered Samsung devices. I don't know what happened to that. But right now Google does not offer Samsung devices on Android Studio. Just wait. Here is Google Pixel 7a. You can also add another device, like you can add Pixel 7 Pro, or you can create any other device. I just don't have enough RAM, so I think it would be hard to run two apps at the same time. I mean, sorry, to not two apps, two phones at same time on this PC. You can also connect a real Android device. I can just show you that in next video. It's just gonna take some time because it's first time. Just wait few seconds. I may just again fast forward the video. By the way, till that I can just say this thing. You can use this option to just like a real Android device, you can use this to power on. You can control volume, volume up, volume down buttons. Just wait, we're just gonna use that. The device has been loaded. You can rotate the device to left or right, or you can use this back button or home button or this button. I don't know what it is called. And there are other things like you can take screenshots, you can record screen, you can take backup, and you can restore app data and another things. Just wait, we're just gonna rotate it to left, and the device has been rotated to left. We can rotate it again. We can see that if our app is working on it or not. It's just gonna take some, it just wait. The device has been loaded, and you can test your apps on this. You can create another device at the same time to see how your app is just gonna work. Mainly, if you want to use this app, just wait. You can use this. Just wait few seconds. I have just loaded Pixel 7 Pro, but I think my just wait, it just loaded. I guess I don't have enough RAM to just load two devices at the same time. That's why it is just not working. If you have a lot of RAM, you can just, I guess, load two devices. It's not working. The two devices are not working at the same time. I don't have enough RAM. But if you have enough RAM, you can use it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.